Alright guys, watch out, we got, well, they're not gonna be able to get by either. Start! Motorcycles in there.
I see that all the time.
Oh, damn. Yeah, we're gonna need one for sure.
Guys, be careful, dude.
Thank you. Okay, you need. Chris, watch your back end. It's trying to swivel out.
Go ahead, Paul.
Flush as you can. How am I looking on the point? Am I pretty level? Yeah.
So what's the deal, Brad?
We're just trying to stabilize.
My shit is fucked up would be the official.
I mean,
CV pulled out, the lower knuckles has bolts sheared off.
Snapped on the lower knuckle.
I do have extra bolts, so we may be able to
You can get them.
knock those. I don't know.
Get you to that flat area
Fuck
just
my ass.
bad.
Maybe we'll just roll it down the hill.
You lost
Right here, so.
Is the inner joint still on the other end of that axle? Or no?
Yes.
Is it all the balls, the
Yes.
rollers? Okay.
Yeah, everything actually feels like it's alive. This is the problem.
So, yeah.
Great.
Pull that.
That'll work. It's better than nothing.
All right, so we got to get to those two, clear that out, and then get to the two on the bottom. Control my
Alright, what do I got going on here?
Am
I on?
That's reverse. I'm sorry, the other.
There we go. That's
You were
backwards,
right.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's Paul.
This explains why he's not a plumber anymore.
I've never seen anything like that.
I haven't either.
That would have been easy.
Try.
Woo!
Yeah, boy. Awesome.
It's gonna be one hell of a write-up.
All right. Yeah, this is when you pause for a moment before you start typing. Okay, hold on. Let me get my thoughts straight. So what we need to do is, hang on. Let's get your bolts in your ball joint. We can use Paul's bottle jack if need be to
get that
raise
nice
this
level.
up and get your angle right. And then we'll get this in. So let's get these lower ones in too tight. You got it?
And Jeep did. Got it.
Here's Scout.
Baby. Dog.
What's up, Scout?
He's listening to me now.
He's a beautiful dog.
Yeah, I love Belgians.
There you go. Yeah, that wasn't gonna happen.
No, it wasn't. I was hoping it was.
You ate it? Yeah. Thank you.